On February 16, 2024, officers from the Los Angeles Police Department's Foothill Division responded to a call reporting a restraining order violation at a residence in the 13200 block of Paxton Street. The person reporting stated her husband, who was under a court-issued restraining order, was present at the location. After verbal attempts to have the suspect exit the residence were ignored, officers entered and attempted to detain him. A violent struggle followed. During that struggle, the suspect produced a ghost gun and fired a round at officers. One officer was injured. The suspect was taken into custody and later charged with attempted murder of a police officer.
11, no further.
Okay, it's fine.
It's fine, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we called them back, I guess.
Okay. Let me tell her.
Okay, yeah. I'll go see him. So it's a back house or a back room? Hi.
Hi.
You call us?
Yeah, but he, I have come. He had already left. No, sí es, no es, no.
¿Cómo que no es?
No, sí, pero yeah, he just
Who's
came
that?
to get clothes. My son and his dad, he just came to get clothes. He's gonna leave right now.
So who'd you call the cops on?
On him, but I didn't know he was coming to get clothes. But
Hey, Pete. It's the police. What's going on, man? Hey, let me talk to you real quick, dude. You're not under arrest. That's the thing. Let me talk to you about the situation. That way, in the future, you don't get arrested, all right?
Your hands up right now.
they're not gonna arrest you. They're just gonna they just want to talk to you.
You're dumb because I told you just
They just want to talk to you.
Back up out of the house.
Don't pull anything out. Don't pull anything out.
You're gonna shoot me, dude. You just shoot me.
Close the door. Close that door. Close that door.
Close that door.
You're gonna have to fucking shoot me.
No one's gonna shoot you.
No, you're gonna have to shoot me, dude. You're gonna have to kill me. You're gonna have to kill me. Get out. I'm not gonna go with
You
you.
weren't gonna go to jail.
No, look, you're telling me you're not willing, but now I am.
You're not behaving. That's why.
No way.
Just stand over here. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do.
If you're gonna shoot me, dude, you shoot me, man. Nobody wants to shoot you, dude. Please, man.
What are you grabbing?
My wallet.
What are you grabbing back there?
Look it.
Let go.
Look it.
Let me see your hand.
Put your hands out right now. If you don't,
Let me see your hand.
I will fucking tase you, dude. And it's gonna hurt.
You're gonna shoot me.
All right?
I'm gonna shoot you, dude.
You're gonna fucking have to shoot me, dude. I'm
what?
not.
For what?
Because I don't want to go to jail, and I'm not gonna go to jail. And
This
all
is
I
the
want
problem. The
Item
more
11, be
you don't
advised. We're gonna be in the
comply,
back house, so it's gonna be in the back of the
the more you
property.
don't comply, the worse it gets for you. All you had to do was stand over here and comply. That's it.
you're gonna put me in handcuffs.
I wasn't.
Please, man, don't. I don't want to fucking do this. Don't do it. Hey, don't do it, dude. You're gonna have to. Don't. You're gonna make me do this, man. Don't fucking do this. Don't.
Come on, I'm gonna tase you, dude.
Don't fucking do this. Don't No, man. Come on. Shut. Man, fucking go.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Usher needs help. Shots fired. Usher needs.
Come on, man. You set me up. Get out of the house right now! You set me up, dude. You got the house up, huh? Set me up, huh? Why you do this? I'll comply. Why you do this to me, dude? Why you set me up, huh? Got me, dude. You got me. Why you? Why the fuck you do this to me, man?
Here, get in here. I got shot.
Watch my back. Watch my back. Watch my back.
Watch the back. Watch the back.
Set me up, dude.
I don't know if I got shot or not.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us keep bringing you these updates.